let me tell you about the labs. All right, I suppose there are people in them who fantasize about using some new virus constructed for warfare, but it's really not what's going on. They're studying genetic modification because you see, when the genes of anything are modified, whether it's a plant or it's an animal, a virus is used to do it. So the virus is given the material. The virus is introduced to the plant or the animal. It goes in and it gets in the cells, it replicates for a while until it's no longer needed, and then it goes away. And so this, the genetic modification is a big deal now. Everybody, science is all interested in it. Yeah, I think you have to look at really what's going on with all of that. But it's not so much for releasing it upon the people of some nation, nor is it really for any kind of biological warfare, because remember, it's questionable whether the viruses are a part of true biology. So anyway, beyond that, I just don't see scientists that are able to do what nature does at this microscopic level all the time. It is truly a sign of the resilience of life on planet Earth, because who tells these bacteria to extrude all of this genetic material that then end up as viruses that come into the system, program the system, and then fall away? And again, next year, the viruses will not be produced in the same way that they are this year. So if you look at places like northern Italy has a very high air pollution problem, very high, this MP 2.5 particle and certainly New York, certainly Southern California. So we have to look at what is going on. Now, if you look at what is called the lethal rate of a respiratory type virus process, the figures are not so far off for this one. Everyone is paying attention to this one, and in sometimes kind of a macabre way. I think it is important to know what's going on, but you see, most people don't know what's going on. They think these people are getting sick and dying from the virus, but maybe it's because these viruses have been clumped with this problems. There are other particulates in air pollution as well that have heavy metals and so on. But this one particular tiny molecule tends to be what clumps the viruses together. So you're not getting a virus, you're getting many viruses when you breathe it in. It comes in generally to the lungs, although people who are taking medications for these ACE receptors have more, let's say, possibility for the virus to hook in. And that's why you see it coming to people who have, let's say, kidney disease, who have heart disease, or who have liver disease. All of these areas are taking this particular medication. So once again, we have a drug component that sets the body up to be more receptive to the virus. Now, when the update is complete, this virus will go away.